A fitness brand is generating $307,500 in sales every single month. No Meta ads, no Google ads, no ad budget at all. And they're doing it while going head to head against Peloton and Nordic Track, two companies spending over $100 million a year just to stay visible. So how is this company doing that? They're not outspending their competitors. They're not out creating them. They figured out how to reach buyers before any ad even runs. And once those buyers find them, they keep coming back for more. And they're not the only ones doing this. A medical device company went from 1,500 to 10,000 visitors a month in just 8 weeks and ranked above Amazon on Google. A premium watch retailer outranked Apple's own pages in 90 days. A fine wine business grew traffic by 1,100% without spending a dollar on ads. A children's toy company had the best revenue year in 20 years, $730,000 in sales, all from content alone. Every single one of these businesses is doing something most marketers are not. And it has nothing to do with posting more content. In fact, some of them are actually posting less than their competitors. See, here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Most businesses using AI right now are stuck in the same trap. More articles, more videos, more posts, more tools, but no traffic. And yet traffic is flat. Sales are flat, nothing is moving. At the same time, there's a quiet group of marketers doing something completely different. They are not publishing more, some are actually publishing less. But their traffic keeps growing, month after month, without ads, without burning out, and even when they step away entirely. If you've been using AI for your business, you know exactly how frustrating that gap is, because you've done the work. You've used the tools, you've followed the advice, which is post more, automate more, and let AI handle the content for you. And the traffic still isn't quite there. See, here's the truth. Nobody in the AI marketing space wants to say out loud. Most people are using AI in a way that keeps them invisible. Not because the tools are wrong, not because their content is bad, but because there's no system behind it. And without a system, all you have is output. Output that nobody finds. Output that looks like every other piece of AI content out there. Output that gets a flicker of visibility, disappears, and has to be replaced tomorrow by something new. We call this the AI treadmill. Over 99% of marketers are on it right now, and most don't even realize it. You run faster every month. You stay in exactly the same place. Here's what gets you off this treadmill. See, there are 4 levels of AI implementation. Level 0 is where most businesses are stuck at. Prompting ChatGPT, publishing the output, and watching nothing compound. Level 1, 2, and 3 are different. Real traffic, real compounding, and AI systems that run together, sending buyers your way every single day while you step back and let it do the work for you. And the gap between level 0 and level 3 has nothing to do with talent, budget, or technical skills. It's all about the blueprint. And I know exactly what that blueprint looks like because we have built it. I'm Napier, and I'm presenting this with my business partner, Chris Munch. Between us, we have over 2 decades of experience in digital marketing, traffic content systems, and online business growth. We've built businesses from laptops. We've helped thousands of entrepreneurs generate real documented results across the world. For the past several years, we've been obsessing over one single question. What happens when you take a content strategy that has already generated millions of visitors across 15 plus years and rebuild it from scratch using the best AI available in 2026? When we did that, here's what happened. A fitness equipment brand went up against Peloton and Nordic Track, two companies spending over $100 million a year on ads. Using the system and a $5,000 a month content budget, they generated $307,500 in monthly sales, a 61.5x return, zero ad spend. A medical device company grew from 1,500 to 10,000 plus monthly visitors in just 8 weeks and ranked above Amazon on Google. A children's toy company had the best revenue year in 2 decades, $730,000 in sales from content alone. A premium watch retailer outranked Apple in 90 days. A fine wine business grew traffic by 1,100% without spending a dollar on ads. Then there's the exercise niche client, one of the most competitive markets online. No ads. By month 6, they had 6,000 buyer clicks a month, saving $7,000 every month in AdWords cost. By month 15, 40,000 clicks a month, $600,000 in average monthly revenue, and over $3.6 million in total sales across the last 6 months alone. One piece of content, a single competitor comparison post, intercepted buyers researching a rival and drove thousands of dollars in new sales from that one page alone. Another one, a Windows and Doors installer made $6,000 from 98 clicks. Not 98,000 clicks, 98. When you reach the right buyers, you don't need volume, you need precision. The same thing plays out for individuals as well. Erin ran content for a few months and then stopped. She ignored her website all summer, didn't touch it once. When she came back, she had over 300 new email subscribers, real people who found her through organic traffic and signed up on their own. Connie started her business in 2016 with 2 content campaigns. Then she stopped. 10 years later, those same 2 campaigns are still bringing her traffic and new business every single month. And Lynn ran her first campaign on a Tuesday evening, and Wednesday morning she had a call from a buyer in New York who had read her article and needed exactly what she offered. Her business is in the Pacific Northwest. So fast results, passive results, and results that last for years. None of this was luck. Every single one of those results came from the same system running on the same blueprint. And now we're handling that blueprint to you live over 3 days. The 1-hour AI traffic machine is what we call it. This is a 3 live day training, June 19th, 20th and 21st, 11 a.m. Eastern. 1 hour a day, and that's the time commitment we ask of you. That is the whole point. You don't need a content team or an ad budget. You need the right system and one focused hour. Chris and I will walk you through the complete 3-level AI blueprint live, step by step, nothing held back. This isn't a course you watch and just set aside. It's a room you show up to and leave with a working system for your business. Here's what those 3 days will cover. Day 1 clears the confusion. You will know exactly where you stand, what's been holding you back, and what changes the very next morning. Day 2 is the session most people say they wish they had years ago. The 3-step content formula behind millions of visitors, rebuilt for AI in 2026. Day 3 is where it all comes together. The automation, the tools, the planning system our team runs on, so everything keeps working long after the training ends. And even before day 1 starts, you are already equipped with what you need. You get 3 AI traffic tools that are included with your registration. You get Niche Goldmine AI that finds your most profitable sub-niches, while Trigger AI surfaces the angles people in your niche are already sharing, and Buyer Magnet Headlines writes the words that get the click. One system. Your research done before you walk in. And look, that's still not everything. Your registration also includes a private Facebook community, session transcripts, Cliff Note summaries, a partner or a spouse seat, and 24-hour replay access. Total value is $1,985, all included for you for free. So what does this actually cost? Building this kind of traffic the traditional way, say getting content teams, SEO strategists, distribution services, can run you thousands of dollars a month. Our private clients pay multiples of $997 for exactly what we are teaching you live. But we're not going to charge you anywhere near that amount, not even $497 and not even $97. Just scroll down to see the price and secure your spot for this training. And this is completely risk-free. Show up for all 3 days, follow the system, and if you don't see exactly how this blueprint can change your traffic and your income, email us within 14 days and get every penny back. No questions asked, no conditions. You have 2 paths from here on out. You can keep doing what you're doing, more AI content, more platforms, more effort, more cost, and the same flat results. Or you can spend 3 mornings with us, get the complete 3-level AI blueprint, build a content system that grows month after month without ad spend, without algorithm dependence, and without content that disappears the moment you stop pushing. One path keeps you where you are and the other moves you forward to success. Right now, somewhere in your market, a buyer is searching for exactly what you offer. The only question is whether they can find you through your content or are they going to find someone else. So click the button below, secure your spot, and let us help you. I'm looking forward to seeing you